In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullets in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting your journey, this quick tutorial will help you add clean, professional bulleted lists to your projects in just a few minutes. So, let's get started by logging into Webflow. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to your Webflow dashboard. This is your hub for all things Webflow, where you can see all your projects at a glance. Next, find the particular project you want to work on. This step is crucial because you want to make sure you're editing the right content. Open your project, and you'll be brought to the design canvas, which is the playground for all your creative ideas. Now, to add bullet points, we're going to use the list element. So, open up the Add panel. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, just press the letter A on your keyboard to access the panel quickly. From here, scroll or search for the list element and drag it onto your canvas. This step is simple but transformative, as it allows you to seamlessly integrate bulleted lists into your design. By default, when you add a list element, Webflow gives you an unordered list, which is basically a bullet point list. This makes it incredibly convenient if you're going for that traditional bullet style right off the bat. However, suppose you need it to be numbered. In that case, you can easily switch from an unordered to an ordered list by going to the Settings panel, which is located on the right side of your workspace. This flexibility lets you cater your list style to your specific design needs. Now, let's say you want to add more items to your list. Each time you add a list element, the initial structure comes with an example item or two. To expand your list, click within the list element and press Enter or Return on your keyboard. This creates additional list items, and you can keep pressing Enter as many times as you need until your list is complete. It's as simple as that. Remember, Webflow is incredibly intuitive, and the more you practice these steps, the more second nature they will become. Customizing your list further with styles such as font, color, and spacing is also possible, just like any other text element in Webflow. So, feel free to experiment and make your lists as unique as your overall design. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add bullet points in Webflow quickly and efficiently. With these steps, you'll be able to make informative and organized content easily. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Webflow tips. Happy designing!